नमस्कार, स्वागत है आप सभी का फिर से हमारी इस जेन नेक्स्ट आइडियाज एक्सचेंज श्रृंखला में, जो आप सभी के प्यार और सहयोग से हर हफ्ते नए वक्ताओं एवं नए जनसंचार पेशेवरों को साथ लेकर चल रहा है. We have entered into the 9th volume of the series, and I welcome you all to today's very special session presented by the Public Relations Society Delhi. PR Society Delhi is a professional body of communicators which has turned a new leaf through its initiative of engaging with the young brigade of the society and learning from the experienced professionals hand in hand. Today, however, the format is more interactive and engaging, as we all will be able to talk and share our own experiences in this over an hour long workshop. I request each one of you to take a pen and a paper to write down the things and activities which will be presented by our today's guest, which will help you share your own experiences in this workshop. The guest for today is Miss Priya Singh. She's a motivational speaker and confidence coach. She's an entrepreneur and storyteller. She's a mother and a dog parent as well. She's also an MBA from NMIMS, Mumbai. She has been working for 5 years in the industry now and has carved her own career path through corporate jobs, and also has a passion for learning and teaching. A rather interesting topic for today is how to become the best version of yourself. So now, without any further ado, I request Ms. Singh to begin with her proceedings.
Hi, Akshat. Thank you for that introduction. I am a little nervous looking at the audience because you all must be thinking that we are all at a certain stage in life, and what is this new girl going to tell us? So please feel free, whatever you want to say, whatever you want to express. It's a common platform for all of us. And from all that I have learned in my little experience of life, I'm going to share. And maybe there can be a few things that you would like to pick along the way. So I'm Priya Singh. I call myself the confidence coach, and I call myself that because only through this little journey, I come from a very small town in Rajasthan, and the only thing which set me apart, मैं सबसे intelligent नहीं थी, मैं सबसे smart नहीं थी. I was not the 90% scorer. But from Bhiwadi to Mumbai to Harvard in US, all that helped me was my confidence. And when I came back home, मुझे लगा कि मैं किस तरीके से contribute कर सकती हूँ अपने क्षेत्र में वापस. तो मुझे लगा राजस्थान में टैलेंट बहुत है, पर शायद लोगों में थोड़ी हिचक है अपने आप को एक्सप्रेस करने के लिए. That's where I thought कि confidence coach मॉड्यूल readily available नहीं था, और मुझे लगा अगर मैं ज्यादा से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स, छात्रों और लोगों से उन्हें ये बता सकूं कि आपके भीतर जो क्वालिटी है, थोड़े से कॉन्फिडेंस और थोड़ी सी रिस्क टेकिंग एबिलिटी से आप और बहुतों तक पहुंच सकते हैं, तो व्हाई नॉट डू इट. So that's why I call myself the confidence coach. That's why I'm here talking about how to be the best version. I no way want to say कि मैं अपना बेस्ट वर्जन हूँ, बिकॉज मैं अपनी एक जर्नी पे हूँ. एंड आई होप आप सब लोग जिन्होंने ज्वाइन किया है, उन्होंने भी इसी उम्मीद से किया है कि अब हम यहाँ से अपने नेक्स्ट लेवल पे जा सकें. So before we start, I have a video जो मैं आप सबके साथ शेयर करना चाहती हूँ. It is personal to me. It spoke to me in a lot of ways, and I hope it will to you too. यहाँ पे एक छोटा सा वीडियो है about स्वास्तिक. तो हम एक बार वो देखेंगे और फिर अपना सेशन शुरू करेंगे. ये छोटा सा वीडियो केवल इसलिए था, स्वास्तिक एक ऐसा निशान है हम हर त्योहार, हर ओकेजन, हर शुभ काम पे लगाते हैं। इसके आध्यात्मिक रीजंस के अलावा व्हाट इट प्रोबेबली सिग्निफाइज इज द कंटिन्यूम। टाइम किसी के लिए रुका नहीं, टाइम कभी रुकता नहीं।
Hello, welcome to the postgraduate program in Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning.
Yeah. टाइम रुकता नहीं है, टाइम थमता नहीं है। और जब पूरी दुनिया में लॉकडाउन हो गया तब भी 6 महीने तो कट ही गए ना। नाउ माय क्वेश्चन इज कि क्या आप लोग चाहते हैं कि आगे का जीवन कट जाए या हम लोग उसे अपने बेस्ट पे जी सके? Being 55, being 60 doesn't mean that हमें और कुछ सीखना बाकी नहीं है. So that is why we are here today to discuss how to be the best version of yourself. Because as the time continues, there are new things that we discover. जब हम करियर स्टार्ट करते हैं when we are 20, when we are 25, सब में एक अग्रेशन होता है। मुझे अगला टाइटल चाहिए, मुझे अपनी सैलरी में 20% रेस चाहिए, दिस इज द नेक्स्ट थिंग दैट आई वांट टू अचीव, एंड देन वी मूव ऑन। हम लोग अपने एक दिनचर्या में सेटल हो जाते हैं, अपने एक वर्क स्ट्रक्चर में चालू हो जाते हैं, एंड देन वी बिकम रिडंडेंट। मेरे पास आप लोगों के लिए एक छोटी सी कहानी है। एक बार एक बुद्धिस्ट मॉन्क था, वो भूटान गया, वो अपने टीचर से मिला। उसने बोला कि सर मुझे यहाँ का बेस्ट मंक बनना है, मैं चाहता हूं कि मैं दुनिया में सबसे अच्छा मेडिटेशन करूं और मुझे सबसे जल्दी निर्वाणा मिल जाए। टीचर ने बोला अरे अच्छा, बहुत जल्दी, तुम्हें कम से कम 1000 घंटे ध्यान लगाना होगा, तब तुम दुनिया के बेस्ट मॉन्क बन सकते हो। मॉन्क ने बोला चलो ये बात अच्छी है, ये मैं कर सकता हूं। वो गया, उसने 1000 घंटे मेडिटेशन किया, वो वापस आया, उसने बोला देखो मैंने 1000 घंटे कर लिया है, आपके जितने स्टूडेंट्स हैं उनमें से किसी ने 1000 घंटे मेडिटेशन अभी तक नहीं किया, मुझे लगता है मैं बेस्ट मॉन्क बन गया। टीचर ने बोला काम पूरा नहीं हुआ, अभी तुम्हें 10,000 घंटे और ध्यान लगाना पड़ेगा ताकि तुम बेस्ट मॉन्क बनो। वो थोड़ा मायूस हुआ, उसे लगा अरे, उसे गुस्सा भी आया कि जब मैंने सबसे ज्यादा ध्यान लगा लिया तो मैं बेस्ट मॉन्क क्यों नहीं बना। वो वापस गया, उसने 10,000 घंटे ध्यान लगाया, कई वर्ष बीत गए। वो अपने टीचर के पास वापस आया और टीचर ने पूछा तो उसने बोला अरे मैं तो थोड़ा कच्चा निकला, देयर इज सो मच मोर दैट आई डू नॉट नो, मेरे को तो अभी बहुत कुछ जानना बाकी है, बहुत कुछ सीखना बाकी है। एंड दैट्स व्हेन द टीचर सेड कि तुम्हारी शिक्षा कंप्लीट हुई, now you are on a path of your own. So wisdom सीखना, learning एक ऐसा डोमेन है कि हम जितना और जानते जाते हैं, हम जितना और सीखते जाते हैं, हमें लगता है हमें कितना कम मालूम है। So of course I know all of you that you are here are very experienced अपने काम में, professionally and life में, but मेरी आपसे एक रिक्वेस्ट है, अपना कप खाली कर दीजिए। आपको लगता है कि मेरे को आता है, मैं जानता हूं यहाँ में क्या, मुझे ये पता है बच्चे, जो तुम बता रहे हो मैं ये ऑलरेडी जान चुका हूँ, सीख चुका हूँ। मे बी फॉर नेक्स्ट 1 hour आई हम्बली रिक्वेस्ट यू कि हम अपनी डिग्रीज, हमारी लर्निंग्स थोड़ा सा दूर रख देते हैं, बिकॉज मे बी मैं जो आपको 10 चीजें बताने वाली हूँ उनमें से एक ऐसी हो जो आपके लिए थोड़ा सा डिफरेंस क्रिएट करे, राइट? सो बिफोर वी स्टार्ट, आई थिंक अक्षत ने आपको बोला है कि आप लोग सबके पास एक पेन पेपर अवेलेबल है, अगर है तो बस हाथ खड़ा कर दीजिए या हाँ बोल दीजिए, या यू कैन रेज अ हैंड एंड टेल मी इफ यू हैव अ पेपर। ग्रेट। सो विद नाउ आई विल स्टार्ट विद अ प्रेजेंटेशन कुछ खास नहीं है, कुछ की पॉइंट्स हैं। सबसे पहली बात ये, आप लोग सभी फोन तो यूज करते ही हैं, फोन कंप्यूटर सबने यूज करा हुआ है। कितने लोग परेशान है इससे, न्यू सॉफ्टवेयर अपडेट डाउनलोड नाउ, आता रहेगा आता रहेगा आता रहेगा, जाता ही नहीं है। हम बोल देंगे स्केड्यूल लेटर, विंडोज अपडेट, स्केड्यूल एन आवर लेटर, वो वापस आएगा, अपडेट करो, सॉफ्टवेयर अपडेट नाउ। और आप लोग सब जानते हैं जब हम हमारे फोन का सॉफ्टवेयर अपडेट नहीं करते, इट गेट्स स्लो, द वायरसेस टेक ओवर, and worst comes to worst, you want to open your laptop and your window crashes. कितने लोगों के साथ ये हुआ? Especially the iPhone people. Software update version new. तो जब मेरी मशीन को हर कुछ टाइम में सॉफ्टवेयर अपडेट की जरूरत है, तो मैं ऐसा ह्यूमन बीइंग अपना सॉफ्टवेयर अपडेट क्यों ना करूं? Zoom was not the medium जिससे हम सब कंफर्टेबल थे. आज से कुछ दिनों पहले तक हम लोग सबको कॉन्फ्रेंस रूम में जब सब आ जाएं चाय समोसों के साथ मीटिंग करना पसंद था. We all have adapted to the new digital age. And with all of you here, the whole system has evolved so much. तो हम अपने ब्रेन का सॉफ्टवेयर क्यों अपडेट ना करें? Why should not we go out and see what is there new to learn? Right? So from here, with this idea, we will start our session today, that how to be the best version of yourself. मैं आपको प्रैक्टिकल पॉइंट्स कुछ बताऊंगी जो आप आज ही लौटकर अपनी लाइफ में इंप्लीमेंट कर सकते हैं. हम कुछ कुछ चीजें साथ में करेंगे. You will take your time for it. Please feel engaged. आपको जो सवाल पूछना है आप तुरंत मुझसे पूछ सकते हैं. So why, who am I? कौन ये आंसर बहुत इजीली दे सकता है? Who am I? Again, I'm not asking, you're not a general manager for me. आप मेरे लिए कोई चेयरमैन नहीं हो, आप मेरे लिए कोई CEO नहीं हो. Apart from that, if I say Mr. गुरमुख सिंह बावा या वरुण कुमार जी, मैं आपको देख सकती हूँ. अगर आप बताना मैं कौन हूँ आपके टाइटल्स के अलावा, तो आप अपने आप को किन 3 चीजों से आइडेंटिफाई करते हैं? आप आर्टिस्ट हैं, क्या आप म्यूजिशियन हैं, क्या आप एक ड्रीमर हैं, आपको बच्चों के साथ टाइम स्पेंड करना पसंद है? राइट नाउ आई वांट कि आप लोगों के पास जो भी शीट्स हैं, 3 एडजेक्टिव्स जो आप अपने आप से रिलेट करते हैं कि मैं अपने टाइटल, अपने रोल्स एज अ मदर, एज अ फादर, एनीथिंग एल्स, व्हाट आर द 3 थिंग्स, 3 words that you want to give to yourself? You can write it down. Please write your name on the paper and write down that these are the 3 adjectives I would want to give myself. और आप में से जो भी चाहे, प्लीज फील फ्री, आप यहाँ पे चैट पे मुझे बता सकते हैं कि these are the 3 words that I give myself.
Can I?
Yes, please, sir. Go ahead.
Yeah, I'm Jitendra Bakshi. I'm a veteran media guy. See, मैं कौन हूँ? I'm a soul. हम सब आत्माएं हैं.
Work.
We are on a journey.
True.
Right. And I'm a proud father of 1 son. I got a family and I've got a little pet. He is a मतलब वो भी मेरे बच्चे की तरह है. Right.
I am.
And happiness हमारे अंदर है जो हमें ढूंढनी है.
True, sir.
It's an compass जो कि हम भूल चुके हैं कि क्या वो अब हमारे अंदर ही है. हम बाहर ढूंढ रहे हैं कि पैसा कमाने से मिलेगी, ये चीज मिल जाएगी तो खुशी मिलेगी, या ये हो जाएगा तब खुशी मिलेगी. नहीं,
True.
वो अंदर है. नहीं तो हर कोई खुश होता. अंबानी, टाटा, बिरला, एवरीवन वुड हैव बीन हैप्पी.
बिल्कुल जितेंद्र जी, बिल्कुल
Right.
आपने सही कहा. एसपी सिंह जी भी लिख रहे हैं, आई एम अ कम्युनिकेटर, आई एम एन एनालाइजर, आई एम एन कंसोलिडेटर. तो I'll encourage everyone to keep typing because that's what we engage with. और आपने रियलाइज किया होगा, आपको सडनली लगेगा कि मैं इसके बियॉन्ड क्या हूं, अरे ये तो मैंने सोचा ही नहीं, अरे क्या सवाल पूछ लिया, मैं तो यही हूं. कुछ लोगों ने लिखते लिखते छोड़ दिया होगा, क्योंकि अमूमन ज्यादातर लोग हम अपनी रोजमर्रा के जीवन में इतने उलझे होते हैं that we can't think beyond that. I am a PR manager, I have to go back, I have to fight this, I have to come back home, I have to get सब्जी लानी है, फल लाने हैं, इसके बियॉन्ड मैं क्या हूं पता नहीं. Right? But again, as Mr. Jitendra himself said, we are all souls, we are in pursuit of something. And we have Mr. Ramendra Kumar Singh, I'm a writer, storyteller, inspirational speaker. So thank you all of you for participating. And why I want you to do this is because how to be your best version, first you have to know who you are. जब आप आइडेंटिफाई करेंगे कि मैं ये हूं, आप उसी चीज को तो इंप्रूव करेंगे. आपने KRA आइडेंटिफाई किया, अब हम उसे इंप्रूव करने की तरफ बढ़ रहे हैं. At this point, I'd also like to point out, हम सब ने कोट सुना है, but we truly have to believe you are unique. You are a unique soul. आप जैसे हैं, with your flaws, with your quality, with all your imperfections, you are unique. And what is important here to understand is, आप जैसे हैं ना, वो ही जरूरी है. Pretend to be anyone else. Don't carry an image around. हम बहुत देखते हैं कि ऑफिसों में रोजमर्रा आपको कितनी बार लगता है कि मेरे colleagues, they know who I really am, or they just know you how you are in office. ये जो सेल्फ डेवलपमेंट का सारा गेम है, इट इज इंपॉर्टेंट कि हम देखें, हम ऑफिस और घर की बात नहीं कर रहे हैं, हम आपकी एज अ सिंगल ह्यूमन बीइंग बात कर रहे हैं. बिकॉज जब कोई परेशानी आती है, इट्स यू हु आर हैंडलिंग इट. आप अपने रोल को डिफाइन करते हैं, बट इट्स ऑल्सो यू एज अ पर्सनैलिटी दैट गोज इनटू वर्क. It's you as a personality that comes into play when you're a father, when you're a mother, when you're a husband, when you're a wife. So that's how we identify ourselves. So thank you for doing that. Moving forward. अब आपने कह तो दिया जी, be more of yourself. Now, how to be yourself? Trust me, it's a challenge. जैसे ये पैंडेमिक हुआ, आप में से कितने लोगों को ये परेशानी हुई कि अब मैं नहा धो के जाऊं कहां? अब मैं तैयार होके क्यों बैठूं? अब जब कुछ जाना ही नहीं है, कोई आ ही नहीं रहा, तो मैं अपने लिए तो खिचड़ी बना लेती हूँ. कितने लोगों को इस तरीके के विचार आए as soon as the lockdown happened? And maybe after the 15th, 20th day, you were like, मेरी तो कोई वैल्यू ही नहीं करता. There's no one who wants to ask me anything. बच्चे घर तो आ गए हैं, पर उन्हें मतलब ही नहीं है कि माँ बाप क्या कर रहे हैं. ऐसे बहुत सारे सवाल, ऐसे बहुत सारे confusions, as soon as we were locked down, हमारे जहन में आने लगे. और मे भी हमें लगने लगा कि मेरे फ्रेंड्स मुझे उतना इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं समझते क्या. It is all because suddenly we had this vacuum around us. We had this vacuum जो भरा हुआ नहीं था. हमारे ऑफिस जाने के टाइम से, मेरे मेट्रो स्टेशन के टाइम से, innumerable number of meetings, I was sitting by myself, not knowing what to do with my empty brain. That's when you start to relate कि जो maybe मेरे ऑफिस वाले कलीग मेरी इतनी पूछ करते हैं, that is what life is. या maybe मेरे बिना घर का कोई काम नहीं होता, that's how I identify with. First and foremost, जो जरूरी है वो है आपकी रिलेशनशिप अपने खुद के साथ. आप में से कितने लोग डेट पे गए हैं, like a new date with a new person or a new friend? What do you do when you go on a date? You ask them, कैसे हो? What are your interests? What is that you like? What is that you do not like? एक टाइम ऐसा आता है लाइफ में जब हम आगे पहुंच जाते हैं और हम खुद से ये पूछना भूल जाते हैं that apart from wearing a blue check shirt on a Monday, what is that I really like to wear? What is that I really like to eat? बहुत सारी ladies के साथ ये problem होती है because we are cooking for our family every day. We forget to ask what is that I would want to eat or what is my favorite cuisine. या फिर अगर मुझे पिक्चर नहीं जाना है, अगर मुझे बाहर नहीं जाना है, तो मैं अपने टाइम के साथ क्या करना चाहेंगे. We have stopped identifying with ourselves. So first, to be yourself, it is important that all of us take time, undistracted 10 minutes during the day. जब हम Facebook पे ना हो, जब हम Instagram पे ना हो, जब हम किसी के साथ ना हो, बट खुद के साथ हो, और हम खुद को ये सवाल पूछें कि मैं क्या करना चाहती हूँ, मुझे क्या पसंद है, मुझे क्या पसंद नहीं. These are some of the very basic steps, but they give you some incredible answers. They answer certain questions that you didn't know were there. So this is way one. Way number two is to ask yourself that if you are acting or if you are reacting to a thing. Now, what do I mean by this? हम सबके पास लाइफ में बड़ी सिचुएशन आती हैं. मान लीजिए घर पे बच्चे ने कांच का ग्लास तोड़ दिया, टूट गया. Now, will I react? जाके बच्चे को तमाचा मार दिया, या मैं पहले जाके उस कांच को समेटूंगी कि उसे चोट ना लग जाए. गुस्सा तो आता है. अब सब पेरेंट्स होंगे, कुछ नहीं होंगे. जो डॉग पेरेंट्स है वो भी जानते हैं गलती हुई है तो गुस्सा तो आता है, बट आर यू चूजिंग टू एक्ट और आर यू चूजिंग टू रिएक्ट? And this is a very, very small example, because in life, whatever that happens, 10% it was actually happens, and 90%, the difference in all our lives is 90% based on how we choose to react to those situations. COVID has happened to 6 billion people of the world. 6 billion. Everyone. There are few people who have died merely because of the anxiety. And we all know of examples जो 100 साल के लोग कोविड से फाइट करके जीत के आए हैं. One situation, 6 billion different reactions. So you choose how you act or how you act and react to situation, because that largely defines who you are. And point number 3, which is very, very, very important, और हम लोग इसे अपने ऑफिस में ज्यादा देखते हैं. हम लोग सब एक ऐसे माइंडसेट से रिएक्ट कर रहे होते हैं कि मैं ऐसा करूंगा तो वो मेरे बारे में कैसा सोचेंगे. मैंने अगर इस तरीके के कपड़े पहने हैं तो मैं भी उन्हें लगेगा कि मैं बहुत पॉलिश्ड हूं, या मैं ऐसे ही चला गया तो उन्हें लगेगा मैं बहुत कैजुअल हूं. आप गौर कीजिएगा, दिन के बहुत सारे कार्य आप केवल इसलिए करते होंगे कि सामने वाले मेरे बारे में क्या सोच रहा है. आप अपने घर में उठा के देख लीजिए, कभी कभी बीवी को खुश करने के लिए कुछ काम ऐसे ही कर देते, बिल्कुल मन नहीं है, पढ़ लो जी, चादर समेट के रख दी केवल तुम्हारे लिए. यहां पे एक पॉइंट आता है ऑफ बीइंग फियरलेस. To be more of yourself, you have to be free, because all of us are plagued with the disease to please. मैं शायद बहुत ज्यादा कोशिश कर रही होंगी कि मैं यहाँ पे पूरे 45 लोग हैं, पूरे 45 लोग मेरी बातों को पसंद करें, मुझे पसंद करें, बट संभव है कि 40 लोगों को लग रहा होगा क्या बकवास कर रही है. So my pursuit here is not to impress everybody. My pursuit here is जो मुझे बात पसंद है, जिस एरिया में मैं कंफर्टेबल हूं, मैं अपनी बात अपनी तरीके से आप लोगों के बीच रख सकूं. और जब हम ये करने लग जाते हैं अपने रोजमर्रा की जिंदगी में, we are being more fearless in expressing ourselves. If it's the opinion, if it's the dress, if it's the outlook, if it's the opinion, I should just be more open in expressing it out to the world. So this is how you be more of yourself. Is there anything that any of you would like to bring forward that at this point of time, that this is a major aspect of me and no one knew because I never showed it? Anyone who wants to put, they can put in a comment, they can raise their hand and tell me what helps them in being more of themselves. If not, we'll move forward from here. Oh, yes. Point number 2. Once we have identified who we are, who you are, what is my next pursuit? हम सब चाहते हैं कि, सबकी ना डिजायर होती है ना कि मैं थोड़ा सा फेमस हूं, थोड़ा सा मुझे लोग जाने, थोड़ी सी लोग मेरी इज्जत करें. उसके लिए क्या करना होगा? I like this word so much. You have to be unforgettable. Unforgettable. आपने जितने जीवनों को छुआ, जितने लोगों से मिले, वो आपको भूल ही ना पाए. ऐसा कब होगा? We have to constantly work on ourselves to be unforgettable, to be excellent. अब excellent ऐसे ही तो हो नहीं जाते हैं, बहुत मेहनत लगती है. सबसे पहले आपको आइडेंटिफाई करना होगा what is that skill that you have. ऐसा क्या है जिसे आप improve कर सकते हैं, and then be excellent in it, that you become irreplaceable. आप सबके ऑफिस में, घर में कोई एक जना होगा जिसके बिना काम चलता ही नहीं है. Everything that they do is just so perfect that you would want them around every time. वो क्यों है? उन्होंने अपनी वर्थ कायम की है. वो अपना काम हर बार इतनी एफिशिएंसी से करते हैं that you have full confidence कि ये लोग काम करेंगे. ऐसे लोग प्रमोट भी होते हैं, ऐसे लोगों की घर में भी पूछ होती है और ऐसे लोगों की समाज में भी पूछ होती है. But as the topic goes, be unforgettable, and to be unforgettable, one important thing is to be excellent. Now again, you don't have to be excellent at everything, because that's just impossible. You will drive yourself crazy if you're trying to do that. But pick one thing. It can be one of your qualities. It can be one of your skills. And maybe that is something that you pick forward. Now, few of you might be thinking, I'm already very good at what I do. Then let me ask you, is there no scope forward? Is there no scope forward? क्योंकि अगर ऐसा होता तो शायद वॉरेन बफेट और किताबें नहीं पढ़ रहे होते. अगर ऐसा होता तो शायद बिल गेट्स हर हफ्ते एक नई किताब ना पढ़ रहे होते. ऐसा होता तो अम्बानी को लगता मैं तो सर्वे सर्वा हूं, there is no next step that I need to take. So maybe right now, all I want is go down to your paper and write down one skill, one area that you would want to get excellent in. Now, please be easy. You can just get excellent at cooking. You can just get excellent in organizing your home. You can just get excellent at being a good father. You can be anything. Just write that one thing that you would like to excel in. And even if it is just Microsoft Excel, you would want to go and know any and everything about that pursuit. So write that one thing down, put it on the comment, and write for yourself. What is the one thing you would want to get excellent at? From here, we'll move forward to the next point. To be unforgettable, we have to upgrade and upskill. Now, what do I mean by that? How do I upgrade? How do I upskill? आप लोग सब ने जितने लोगों को मैं देख सकती हूँ, मुझे अंदाजा है कि आप लोग ने 10 साल, 15 साल, 20 साल इंडस्ट्री में लगाए हैं, राइट? क्या ऐसा कोई भी पॉइंट नहीं था जहां से आपको लगा दिस इज समथिंग न्यू, आई हैव टू लर्न इट? एचआर का पूरा डिपार्टमेंट इसलिए डेडिकेटेड है कि आप लोग की कांस्टेंट ट्रेनिंग, सॉफ्टवेयर अपडेट्स, लीडरशिप स्किल्स, मैनेजरियल स्किल्स, जिनके लिए वो आपको अपग्रेड करते रहते हैं. लाइफ में भी इसकी इक्वली जरूरत है. You can be probably 60 years old and about to retire. But then you will realize कि शायद पोते पोतियों से बात करने के लिए उनकी भाषा सीखनी पड़ेगी. You have to get along with the slangs. आपको Instagram पे जाना पड़ेगा. Facebook पे सबने अपग्रेड किया. You'll have to learn the new lingo of the world if anything else. जब आपको कुछ नहीं करना तो भी आपको अगली जनरेशन से कनेक्ट करने के लिए खुद को अपस्किल करना पड़ेगा. और इसी चीज को अगर हम अपने ऑफिशियल परिप्रेक्ष्य में देखें, there are always new softwares to learn, there are always new certifications to do. और आज के टाइम में तो जब सब कुछ ऑनलाइन अवेलेबल है, जब हमें घर से 2 साल दूर एग्जीक्यूटिव कोर्स करने नहीं जाना है, then why don't we choose? And there are every type of course available. At 50, if you choose, I want to take a course on improving my speaking skills, improving my English skills, it is available. If you want a random course of, I want to learn graphic designing, if it has nothing to do with your current profile, you can still go out and do it. The point is, अगर आप current नहीं हैं, अगर आप time के साथ नहीं चल पा रहे हैं, तो the sad fact is कि हम redundant हो जाते हैं. It's a very sad fact, but it's a true fact. We fade away, our qualities fade away, and in career and in life, you will find कि suddenly आपकी शायद वैल्यू, वर्थ, पब्लिक इमेज कम सी होने लगती है और वो फिर हमारे अंदर वो इच्छा घर करने लगती है. तो जब हम अपने हाउ टू बी बेस्ट वर्जन के परस्यूट में है, देन इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट वी कॉन्स्टेंटली गिव आवरसेल्व्स टाइम टू अपग्रेड एंड अपस्किल. थर्ड पॉइंट, it is so important, take responsibility. I can't emphasize on it enough, because we all find excuses. We are going to do an exercise quickly and you'll realize what I'm talking about. मेरे मैनेजर ने अगर मुझ पे ज्यादा ध्यान दिया होता ना, तो आज मैं एवीपी होता. अगर मेरे लाइफ स्किल्स थोड़े, मेरे परिवार नहीं होता या मेरे बाल बच्चे मुझे परेशान नहीं कर रहे होते ना, तो मेरा बैंक बैलेंस आज 10-15 लाख तो होता ही होता. या अगर मैं इतने गरीब परिवार से नहीं आ पाता तो शायद आज मैं ऊंचाइयां छू रहा होता. प्लीज लेट्स गिव आवरसेल्व्स अ ब्रेक. There are examples all over. There are examples all over जो राजा से रंक बने हैं, रंक से राजा बने हैं, जिनके पास सब कुछ था, सब कुछ खो दिया, जिनके पास कुछ नहीं था, सब पाया. These are just excuses that we keep giving ourselves, and you have to realize किसी का नुकसान नहीं हो रहा है सिवाय आपके. मैंने सोचा, मैंने जीवन भर अपने बच्चों के लिए सैक्रिफाइस किया, आधे पेट सोई, आज मेरे को पूछ नहीं रहे, तो वो पहले आपकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है. We all have to believe that there is enough for everybody. And I have to take my own responsibility first. अगर मैं एक माँ हूं और मैं चाहती हूं कि मैं अपने बच्चे को बहुत प्यार दूं, तो पहले जरूरी है कि मैं खुद को बहुत प्यार करूं ताकि मैं उसको वो वार्मथ दे पाऊं। आपके पास कुछ होगा तभी आप किसी को दे सकते हैं, राइट? तो फर्स्ट टेक योर ओन रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी कि मेरी जिम्मेदारी मुझ पर है, मेरे परिवार पर नहीं, मेरे ऑफिशियल्स पे नहीं, बिकॉज दोज आर नथिंग बट एक्सक्यूजेस टू प्रिवेंट योरसेल्फ फ्रॉम गोइंग टू द नेक्स्ट लेवल. I'll emphasize it again. Take your own responsibility. There is no better age than today when everything is digital. आपको लगता है मुझे अपने finances करना नहीं आता, there are courses available online, there are apps available online, there's all sort of help that is available online. All what we know, अगर आपको लगता है कि मैं डॉक्टर के पास नहीं जा पा रहा, so now there is Google Baba available who will tell you azithromycin खा लो and half of your problems will be solved, right? So take your responsibility and move forward. पॉइंट नंबर 4, और इसका एग्जाम्पल आप लोग मुझसे ज्यादा जानते हैं. टू बी अनफॉरगेटेबल, इट इज इंपॉर्टेंट दैट वी आर ऑफ सर्विस टू द अदर्स. बाय सर्विस आई डू नॉट मीन कि आप लोग जाइए बाहर सोशल सर्विस कीजिए. आई डोंट मीन कि आपको हर नवरात्रों में जाके बाहर लंगर लगाना है, लोगों को खाना खिलाना है. बट व्हाट आई मीन इज कि आपने जितना लिया उसका 10% भी अगर आप दे सकते हैं in whatever format that you work in. Now it can be only let's just keep the work profile, let's just keep our official roles and capacity. If I'm able to train a people or two, if I'm able कि मैं अपना काम इस भावना से करूं कि किसी दूसरे का फायदा हो, even if it is just to rolling out my reports on time so that the other person can finish his work and go home in time, that is service. You do not have to go over and above. मैं नहीं कह रही हूँ कि आप जाइए और सोशल ड्राइव कीजिए या पोलियो ड्रॉप्स कैंपेन का हिस्सा कीजिए, मत कीजिए. बट आपकी जो कैपेसिटी है, आपका जो वर्क डोमेन है, आप उसमें कितना दे सकते हैं. इफ नथिंग, स्टार्ट फ्रॉम होम. एंड व्हाट आई मीन बाय कंट्रीब्यूटिंग एट होम इज आप रियलाइज करेंगे अगर आपकी दादी घर पे अकेली हैं, उनका होना ही एक बहुत बड़ी प्रेजेंस है. हैव यू हैड द टाइम कि आप 10 मिनट उनके साथ जाके बैठे और बस पूछ लें विद कंप्लीट प्रेजेंस, हाउ आर यू, आप कैसे हो, आपका मन लग रहा है कि नहीं, या गांव जाने का मन करता है. It starts as simple as that. You can go to your mother and really ask her कि मम्मी मैं दिन भर घर पे हूं, तो आपको 4 बार 5 बार मेरे खाने, नाश्ते, दूध, चाय की परवाह करने में दिक्कत तो नहीं होती? Are there times that I can come and help you in? Even these small acts of giving back will make you unforgettable. Trust me, even a mother sitting there, they remember कि मेरा बड़ा बेटा मेरा बड़ा ख्याल रखता है. And as far as it goes out in the world, अगर आप 15 भूखे बच्चों को खाना बना दें, वो भूलेंगे नहीं कि कोई एक आदमी आया था and he was warm enough to come and feed me food. What is the one thing right now in your capacity that you can give to the world? आपके पास एक पेन और पेपर है, अगर आप लिख सके कि ये एक छोटी सी चीज है जो मैं शायद कर सकता हूं, and it will be my act of service to the people around me, to the family around me, to the society around me. Please take a minute and just write it down. You can write it in the comment and however you wish. Because to be the best version, for me, a selfish person is probably not the best person. You have to give back a little. So please write in, what is that one thing that you can do and you can be of service to someone else? I can tell stories to underprivileged kids. Thank you, Ramendra Kumar ji. आप ये digitally भी कर
Yeah, I would like to add here.
Yes, sir.
That on 15th August, I had gone to jail for the under what should we say, delinquents, means who are below the age of 12. And I told them stories and all that, and they never expected that anybody would come and interact with them in the same way. I sat and had food with them, sponsored a bit of a lunch and all that. And last line one of them said was, "Uncle ji, fir kab aoge?"
It is just so amazing and heartwarming. शायद आपको इतना 15 अगस्त को आप घर पे रह के सो सकते थे सर, दैट्स लाइक द बेस्ट वे पॉसिबल, बट दिस would have given you so much warmth and joy in your heart that it is uncomparable. So that is what I mean. उन 15 लोगों के लिए, आपके लिए शायद वो एक दिन होगा और आप 15 लोगों को याद भी ना रखें, उन बच्चों को याद रहेगा कि रविंद्र जी आए थे और उन्होंने हमें कहानी सुनाई और खाना खिलाया. People do not forget. These are small actions, surprising actions that can be a turn. They fuel you so much. Listening to this, it just fuels me so much. आप एक दिन कोई कार्य करते हो और 15 दिन तक इट इज एक्चुअली खुद को ही अच्छा लगता है, किसी और को नहीं, खुद को यू फील बेटर एंड इट गिव्स यू अ डिजायर टू डू मोर. So right now, whoever is with us, we will do another exercise at this point. It is going to be a guided visualization, meditation. I will just do it for 2 minutes. Please don't scare away. Meditation is not difficult. It is just giving yourself a little time, a little sense of ease. And while we are working on ourselves, it is important that we give our brain some time. We're going to do this visualization activity, and then we will talk about how we can improve ourselves through this exercise. So is everybody ready to do this? Show of hands, please. Everybody is ready? Good. So I just want all of you to sit up a little more straight. Just sit a little straight, whatever your positions are. अगर आपका चेहरा इस बीच नहीं दिखेगा, कोई बात नहीं. Let the phone fall. It's okay. And we will just do this exercise. Just relax, everybody. Sitting straight is important because the spine is genuinely sending electric signals all throughout your body. And as soon as you're straight and alert, your body feels more warmed up. जितेंद्र जी, मुझे दिख रहा है आप सीधे नहीं हुए अभी. चलिए. So while you're doing this, keep your phones away. Now all you have to do is listen and follow the instructions. If you're choosing to lie down, it is okay. Just Neelab ji, aapka bhi message aa raha hai. Everyone, thank you for messaging. Right now, I want you to sit straight. And with my count, just take a deep breath in. Take a deep breath in now. 1, 2, 3, 4. And out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. And out. 1, 2, 3, 4. One last time. Deep breath in. 1, 2, 3, 4. And out. 1, 2, 3, 4. All of you, just close your eyes. Leave your phones where they are and just close your eyes. Take a deep breath in again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and out. 1, 2, 3, 4. You are getting a little deeper in your mind right now. There is so much that you do not know you have the capacity to do. For the next 1 minute, I would want you to imagine the best version of yourself. The best version of yourself, how does it look like? Does it look fitter? Does it look better? Are you able to walk? Are you able to run? Are you able to swim? What is the best version looking like? Things happen in our imagination first, and then they turn into reality. How does your surrounding look like? You're into your dream home. You're relaxed, you're serene, you are healthy, and you are happy. You walk outside your house, calm, composed, perfectly dressed. You're opening the doors to your dream car. You sit and you drive to the workplace that energizes you. You love your work so much that it energizes you. You can't wait to get up, get to office, and get going on what is making difference to the world. You drive to work and you're making an absolute showstopper entrance. You radiate energy, you radiate happiness. People are happy looking at you. You inspire people. You give courage to people. And you enter into your corner office. You like your office. You've designed it. Step by step, you have reached a stage in your career where you like where you are. You like your office. You like your work. You like the people that you work with. You are making the difference to the world. You come back home, but you're not tired. You are happy. You're satisfied. You're happy of a good day's work. And you come back home excited to see your partner, to see your kids, to see your parents. You're happy to see them. And you are able and you are privileged to have a warm, loving meal with your family. You go to bed thinking, what a blessed day it was. You are with family. It is important to remember you can be in any life situation, good or bad, but there is someone out there who doesn't have just as much as you do. It is important to remember that someone is less privileged than you. It's important to remember this because that will make you feel grateful and happy of whatever you have. I complained of having no shoes till I didn't see the person with no legs. Be grateful and happy for what you have. With this thought, open your eyes, take a deep breath in and out. Are you feeling relaxed? Are you feeling better? I have one question to ask at this point. Two questions. Number one, how did you like doing this exercise? Did you like it, not like it? You can put it on the comments. Raise your hands if you feel it was something difficult. Now my question number two. How many of you thought, that is not possible, but my life doesn't look like this. I can't ever be fit again. I don't think I can run as I could when I was 23. How many of you had these thoughts going in your head? Can I see a show of hands, please? How many of you thought कि ये तो possible नहीं है जो ये बात कर रही हैं? There's a constant mind chatter that goes in our head. कोई और आपको नहीं रोकता. कोई और आपको नहीं रोकता. It is you who decide what the best version of your home looks like. What the best version of the car looks like. What is the best version of your office look like? It's all happening in your head. और आप सब जिन्होंने ये exercise करी, maybe you realize you are putting limitation to a certain things. Can you imagine buying a Mercedes in the next year? Few will say, yes, I can. Few will say, oh, that is just impossible. When you are sitting with your own mind, when you are doing this visualization exercise, you have to realize your mind comes up with its own reason and excuses, and simultaneously there is a lot of chaos happening in the head, all the reasons why you can't do it, why you can't achieve it. So before we go out there and blame that I can't do it because of so and so and so reasons, let's check with ourselves that what is limiting me. And if I've been able to work past those limitations, then let me work on believing and achieving the next best level for myself. With that, we will go to point number 3. How to be the best version of yourself. Finding your ikigai. It's a concept which is very, very in right now. It's a Japanese concept which talks about ikigai is an area where you reach if you are able to work on what you love, the kind of work that energizes you, that pays for the lifestyle that you are in, the things that you're good at, where you're actually able to use the strengths that you have, right? It drives your passion, profession, mission, vocation, everything. And when you combine this, you're in an area which we call ikigai. Now, I personally find it very difficult. It is very difficult. How many of us can truly say that my work energizes me? I love it. I'm doing what I love for my life. I can see here Naresh ji is writing that I'm driving on a very high altitude towards Kullu from Monday. I know him for sure that mountains are what energizes him. After a full week, he can find a weekend and not feel tired from his mountain journey. So what is that that energizes you, and how exciting is the idea कि जो मुझे पसंद है वो मैं सातों दिन पूरे महीने पूरे साल करूं and I'll never feel tired. And those are the things that give you juice in life. It gives you fun in life. Then you're not looking for the Friday night. Then you're looking to every single day getting up and doing what I like to do. That, my friend, is your ikigai. You will be ready to do that work freely for no cost, for all the cost. And trust me, if you're doing what you like, it will pay you for it. That's like a promise. If you like what you do, if you continue doing it, it'll pay you. But you choose to do it even for no money. It will drive you every single day. Now, how to find this ikigai? It's a process. It is not like I fill a certain points and I fill the numbers and I get my answer. It's a constant journey. It will not happen overnight. So are you all, what is that interests you? Are you all aligned? Is your profession and your work life aligned? What is that that you would want to do given an option? Given an option, what will be your perfect job? Let's just write it down. Let's just get it over with that maybe if I'll do this, I'm telling you, it's a hypothetical situation. If you were able to earn the same amount of money and more, given an option of whichever location you could choose to be in, what is that one thing that you would want to do, which you would love to do? It's business, it's work, it's PR, it's maths, it's numbers, whatever it is. Just take a minute down and write down what is that one thing you would like to do for no money whatsoever, but you can live your life on it. Please just take a minute down and write it. Anyone who would want to share at this point of time? I can hear somebody that this, go ahead, Ravindraji. Go ahead.
See, so my ikigai has been for the last 35 odd years writing and writing. So as a professional, I was a PR guy, corporate communications. So I did have a little bit of writing. This June 30th, I took voluntary retirement only to pursue my ikigai, though I still have 3 years. So for me, it makes perfect sense. You know, my passion, something which makes me jump out of bed every morning is my ikigai, and that's my writing.
Perfect, sir. And will you agree that it took time to identify, it took time to be fearless and brave and go and pursue it? Could you have done this?
No, I always knew it was my ikigai.
Yeah.
But papi pet ka sawal tha. That's why I had to continue in the job.
Exactly. So not putting 35 years, it's great. If you've identified, you're working on it, it's great. But how about having a career in that space? But it takes time. It takes work, at times 5 years, 10 years, 15 years for you to realize where you want to be. So again, just write down what your ultimate dream is, and let's start working from this day, 7 November. Let's start working towards what your ultimate dream is and how you can achieve it. There's a lot of personal work that goes into it, but you have to start somewhere, right? Now, point number 4. Point number 4 on how to be the best version of yourself. People, surrounding, and environment. आप में से कितने लोगों ने सुना है कि you are the sum average of 5 people you spend your time with? अगर नहीं सुना है तो मैं बता देती हूँ, and it's for fact. जो 5 लोग के साथ आप अपना बेस्ट टाइम स्पेंड करते हो या मोस्ट टाइम स्पेंड करते हो, your personality, your life is a sum of those people. Get very, very careful now. कि आप अपने 24 घंटों में से ज्यादातर टाइम किन लोगों के साथ बिता रहे हैं. Because those are the people who drive you forward, who pull you down, who push you away. There'll be certain people जो बहुत खुश होते होंगे आपके थोड़े से अचीवमेंट से, और कुछ लोग ऐसे भी होंगे कि नोबेल प्राइज ले आए और बोलेंगे तो इसमें कौन सा कद्दू में तीर मार दिया. You have to choose the kind of people who are around you, the kind of people who support you, who bring out the best in you. कई लोगों को ये परेशानी होगी कि मैं कितने आदमियों ने सुना है घर की मुर्गी दाल बराबर. आपने बाहर कोई भी तीर मारा होगा, घर आया है रहने दो, दाल बनाओ. The point is that to be the best version, you want cheerleaders around you who tell you, oh great, this is something brilliant you can do. What is the next best thing that you are going to show? If you came down running 13 seconds for 100 meters, what's the next best thing you can do? या 13 सेकंड में क्या कर लिया, रहने दे, दौड़ने वोड़ने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. Now, you all might be thinking, there are few things that I cannot change. You do not know कि मेरी वाइफ कितना नैग करती है, मैं नहीं बदल सकता तो नहीं बदल सकता. I'm not asking you to do anything rash at this point. There are few things that we can change and there are few things which cannot. I love this quote. When you cannot change outside, go inside. The change starts inside first. You might be having an issue that I want to be around more influential people, but by geographical limitations या मेरे ऑफिस के लोग ऐसे नहीं हैं कि मैं अपने आप को improve कर पाऊं या to be a certain way. There is always a way out. Now, let's talk about how to change our people, surrounding and environment. Simple steps that all of you can adapt and do. Number one, people. You cannot necessarily change your family. There might be good people in the family. There might be not so good people. You can't change your office colleagues instantly. You can choose the people you hang out with. But over and above, what you can do is find yourself a role model. Now, the role model doesn't need to be in your physical vicinity. Internet हमारी power है आज की तारीख में. Internet is my power. I can choose my role model. उनकी सारी वीडियोस देख सकता हूं, उनकी सारी बातें सुन सकता हूं, उनकी किताबें पढ़ सकते हैं, उनके पॉडकास्ट पढ़ सकते हैं, एंड वी कैन मेक श्योर कि 24 घंटे में से 2 घंटे, 3 घंटे, 1 घंटे, या मुझे अपना टाइम किस हिसाब से स्पेंड करना है, मैं उन लोगों की बातें सुन के, उनकी किताबें पढ़ के, उनके बारे में जानकारी लेकर अपना टाइम स्पेंड करूं. दैट ऑल्सो काउंट्स, बिकॉज बेसिकली आप फिर बिग बॉस की बातें नहीं कर रहे हैं, आप अपने नेक्स्ट इवेंट की या फ्राइडे नाइट पार्टी की बात नहीं कर रहे हैं. यू आर टॉकिंग टू समबडी एंड लर्निंग टू बी लाइक देम. मेरे पिताजी एक बहुत अच्छी एनालॉजी देते थे. उन्होंने कहा कि अगर आप किसी को अपना रोल मॉडल मानते हो तो ऐसा मान लो कि वो एक छतरी है. उन छतरी में से उनकी क्वालिटीज आर हैंगिंग. When you stand under that chhatri, you can pick and choose. If you say Steve Jobs is my role model, he is not necessarily a good father. He's not necessarily the easiest person to work with. But what you choose from him is his big vision. उनका विजन इतना बड़ा था, उनकी डिजाइन सेंसिबिलिटी इतनी बड़ी थी कि शायद मैं वो पिक कर सकता हूं. If Virat Kohli is your role model, you don't have to pick everything from him, but his discipline, but his consistency, but his love for his sport. Maybe you can pick those things up. So take a minute down and write for yourself who your role model is. If you don't know, take your time, find out. टेक अ रेफरेंस पॉइंट. जब हम जीपीएस चालू करते हैं तो हम देखते हैं ना कि अगर मुझे यहां से धौला कुआं जाना है तो कितना टाइम लगेगा. आई पुट इट इन धौला कुआं is where I want to reach, and then I know the route. So do we even have a role model, someone that we would like to be like? If not, now is the time that you write down that this person is my role model. These are the qualities that I would personally want to adapt and change about myself or learn about myself. Have a role model, read books, listen more. Point number 2, surround yourself with 5 people who encourage you. Again, coming back to the same point, अगर आपके आसपास नहीं है, व्हाट्सएप इज द बेस्ट मीडियम। दुनिया भर के ग्रुप्स पे हम एक्टिव होते हैं जिन पे सुबह शाम कृष्ण भगवान के गुड मॉर्निंग मैसेजेस आते हैं। व्हाई कांट वी क्रिएट अ ग्रुप जिसमें हमारे 5 खास दोस्त या कोई मेंटोर या बॉस जो आपके बारे में अच्छा सोचते हो वो हो, जहां पे आप कांस्टेंट अकाउंटेबिलिटी रख सके, जहां पे आपने देयर आर पीपल हु मेक लर्निंग ग्रुप्स जो हर हफ्ते में अपने स्कूल बचपन के फ्रेंड्स कलीग्स के साथ एक चेक रखते हैं कि चलो आज हम इस हफ्ते बैठ के क्या नया सीखा, क्या नया जाना, या तुमने क्या नया अचीव किया, व्हाट इज द न्यू थिंग दैट यू हैव लर्न टुडे, दे डिस्कस इट and it helps them, encourage them, gives them a safe environment. If not that, go on Facebook, there are multiple groups available, there are multiple pages available jahan pe jo aapke interest ka area hai, it can be learning guitar, it can be learning writing, it can be an area jahan pe aap jaake apni poems sunate hain. Join those support groups and find your people who will appreciate you for your quality. I'd also like to say at this point ki aap ye mat samajhiyega ki main novice hu. आप नर्वस हो सकते हैं, क्या मैं बेस्ट कॉन्फिडेंस कोच हूं? बिल्कुल नहीं। देयर आर 100 ऑफ पीपल दैट आई लर्न फ्रॉम एवरी डे, बट आई एम अ पार्ट ऑफ दोज ग्रुप्स जिनके साथ मैं जाके रोज ये बातें डिस्कस कर सकती हूँ, जो मुझे बता सकते हैं कि प्रिया दिस इज योर एरिया ऑफ इम्प्रूवमेंट। अगर ये बातें जाके मैं अपने पति के साथ करूँ तो शायद उन्हें मजा ना आए, बट आई हैव टू फाइंड द पीपल हु रिलेट टू द टॉपिक, who discuss it, with whom I can push, learn, and move forward. So join those groups through social media, through WhatsApp, through digital platforms, through tremendous other opportunities that are available. But surround yourself with 5 people. Point number 3, identify things you can change and things you cannot. Now, why is this important? Because few of us here will give us an excuse. I cannot buy myself the house that I like, so I'm not going to do anything about it. No, doesn't work like that. If you're on a journey of self-development, if you're on a journey of self-improvement, being your best version, you have to clearly demarcate things you can do and things you cannot, so that you don't excuse yourself out of them. हम लोग बात ही नहीं करें. We want to be the better version. We can be 75, we can be 80, but there's something new that I can learn that I did not. हम सब ने उसके सुकरात थे या कौन थे जिन्होंने अपनी मौत की आखिरी रात पे भी बांसुरी बजाना सीख लिया. So let's not excuse ourselves. Right now, make a list of things that you cannot change and leave them away. Tear them, cut them. You can't do anything about them, but write 5 things that you can work on, that you can change, that can be in your environment, surrounding, or people. 5 things. One word, just write those things down. Now, the last point. And I really like this one. It's one of my favorite things to do, apart from what's coming ahead. I call it the little upgrades in life. The little upgrades in life. It's absolutely materialistic, but it helps me in being my better version. Now you will say, Priya, ye kya hai? You know, the little upgrades is that for the longest time, maybe you've gotten into a habit of कि मैं sales section से ही कपड़े लेता हूँ. It is at least a little cheaper. In that pursuit, आप देखेंगे भी नहीं maybe fresh piece का क्या price है. Or so to say, you will say कि ladies में ये problem होती है कि बच गया है इसे मैं खा के खत्म कर देती हूँ. What you're doing is treating yourself as second best. This is an environment, this is an action that you are accustoming yourself of a second grade treatment. Tell me if you will not like it कि I have booked a seat for economy and I got upgraded to the business class. How many of you would not like it? मुझे जी बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं आया, उन्होंने मुझे business class में upgrade कर दिया. I don't think any of us will, right? So we have to start treating ourselves like a business class person. How can I do that? Now you will say, Priya ji, budget allow nahi karta. I can't just go every Diwali and get my house painted. I agree. इससे बड़ी बेवकूफी कोई नहीं कर सकता. But the magical thing is, what we can do is do the little upgrades in life. Maybe if you change the teacups, जिसमें आप सुबह चाय पीते हैं या जिसमें आप अपनी कॉफी पीते हैं, it will change the way you feel about the coffee drinking time. If you just change how your desk looks, the office desk, the workspace that you work in, you can have in like books, paper, pen, pencil, sab fela pada hai. Do you think your best version will work in a space like this? Your best office looks like spanking clean. There's a glass tabletop. There's a MacBook right there. There's a big window out there. Now that might take time, but what you can do right now is upgrade a little. Maybe the next time you go, you buy yourself a shirt from the next best brand that you can afford. Maybe you wear your same shoes, but you polish them so well that they look like the best shoes out there. Maybe when you go to work tomorrow morning, you give yourself the 10-15 extra minutes and look extra special. And why not? Do you think Ambani can turn up to his office in a jogger and just still look as serious? So you have to upgrade a little, upgrade your environment a little, because your environment affects your thinking. Can you create $1 billion business sitting in a small area in some office with crappy laptop, with no proper stationery? You cannot. World-class things needs world-class work. And world-class people have to represent themselves, have to walk in like world-class people. So upgrade, whatever little upgrade you can do. And at this point, I want you to write what is the one thing, or just tell me that what is the next upgrade that you will do. Will you change your wardrobe that when you walk into office tomorrow? Will you change that cup? Will you change the room that you're sitting in? Will you change the setting of the environment? Will you get a study table for yourself just to work more efficiently? What is the next little upgrade that you can do to your life right now? I'm not talking big steps. I'm not talking transformatory steps. Small, simple steps in order to be your best version. Just write down the small next upgrade you can do. I would love if few of you can just put in the comments what's the upgrade that you do, or on your sheet of paper, just write it, and then we'll move forward. I see it's 4:08. We also have less time. I need to see some people writing in what's the next upgrade that you will do. The action happens. The actions happens with the small things. Maybe you can just get your nails trimmed. That's also a good upgrade to have. A wider smile. Better. Sure. Great. So now we come to the last step on how to be the best version of yourself. It's very simple. You might have heard it before. JPG, please go buy yourself a new shoe. It matters. Your uniform matters. Go buy yourself the new pair of shoes. Great. The last point of being the best version of yourself is organizing. Now you will tell me ki it has nothing to do with my best version. My wardrobe can look like anything. If my clothes are ironed, if I'm showing up right, doesn't really matter. I'm sorry, I'm here to break your myth. It doesn't work like that. If someone else is taking care of your household, it is okay. But it is proven psychologically, studies, research, everything has shown there are few things that we call stone habits. Stone habits that percolate in every system, every area of your life. I'll give you a simple example. When you get up in the morning, if you fold the sheets and if you make your bed, I'm here to tell you it goes on a long way to have your managerial skills in place, to have your leadership skills in place, to have your life skills in place, and to have a much more organized life. Now you'll tell me कि चद्दर बिछाने से तो ये सब नहीं होता. कैसे नहीं होता? I'm not asking you to be an OCD. I'm not asking you to be an extremely organized person. But how the habits percolate is a cleaner bed, a made bed, leads to an organized closet. An organized closet leads to आपका घर organized और व्यवस्थित हो. आप लोग सब जानते हैं जब चीजें जगह पे होती हैं तो उन्हें ढूंढना आसान होता है. जब चीजों को ढूंढना आसान होता है तो मेरी सुबह की हबड़ तबड़ बच जाती है. I don't have to go rush in the kitchen, find my shoe somewhere, socks कहीं और, कपड़े कहीं और. जब वो सब organized है, I can go to office with much more peace. या अगर मैं घर से काम कर रही हूँ, I can be more relaxed. I personally cannot sit in an environment with cluttered things because then my thoughts are cluttered. I start with my bed, I organize my home. आपका घर, आपकी अलमारी, आपका दिन व्यवस्थित हो जाता है और उससे व्यवस्थित होते हैं आपके विचार, आपका थॉट प्रोसेस, आपके सोचने का तरीका. कितने लोगों के साथ हुआ है कि मैं सुबह हबड़ तबड़ में निकलता हूं और ऑफिस में जाके डांट भी पड़ जाती है, मैं डांट देता भी हूं, nothing gets done and it's just a chaos till lunch. And then I'm just upset about the whole day. All of us would have had a day like that, right? All of us would have had a day like that and just be thinking, यार रात को ही ढूंढ लेता तो सुबह इतनी परेशानी नहीं होती और पूरा दिन खराब नहीं होता. That's why it's important to organize. Because when you organize when you organize your bed, you organize your life, you organize your thought, and then you move forward. What is the first thing that you can do in order to organize? कुछ लोगों को बड़ी प्रॉब्लम होती है. People are hoarders. You do not know when to throw away stuff. And by throw away, I don't mean disregard, but declutter. हम हर महीने घर से रद्दी निकालते हैं ना. We all throw away the रद्दी every month. आपने जितने पेपर बिछाने थे यूज कर लिए, जितने पेपर पहुंचने के लिए यूज करने थे कर लिए, but then you do away with the stuff. Now, whichever area you guys are sitting in right now, all 39 of you, आपके आसपास ऐसा कौन सा सामान है जो आप यूज नहीं करते, पिछले 6 महीने से यूज किया भी नहीं है, पर कभी काम में लेंगे करके भर रखा है? Declutter it. It is nothing but energy जो आपने रोक के रखी है. Everything has an energetic effect. Everything has an effect on your day, on your energy, on your actions, and on your reactions. So right now, write down one thing that you can declutter. It can be 30 of your t-shirts that you have not worn thinking मैं कभी पहनूंगा, and you have not. Trust me, there are few people who can actually use them better. Pick out books that have been lying around just for the sake of it, and maybe you can declutter it. And right now, I'm telling you, if you open the drawer next to you, there'll be paper, there'll be pencil, there'll be coupons, there'll be bills that are just lying there for no good use. Clear them out, create space, create energy for good things, good energy, inspiration, excitement to come into your life. Declutter. Write down one thing that you can change, throw away, and somebody else can use them for better use. This one is hard, but I'll tell you a fact. If you're not able to declutter things from your life, things that are occupying unwanted space in your house, you will not be able to declutter. आप नहीं हटा पाएंगे उन लोगों को जो आपके जीवन में unwanted energy consume कर रहे हैं, जो जाके बस आपकी माथा खा जाते हैं, to be very clear, and you can't do anything about them. It will start by decluttering your home, and maybe then you can declutter the unwanted energies, the unwanted things from your life and create space for new. So declutter and move forward. Write down what is the next best thing to do. Once you're organized, once you're declutter. मैं आपको यहाँ पे कुछ एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी करने के लिए नहीं कह रही हूँ. My pursuit here is not कि मैं आपको आज मैं आपका बेस्ट वर्जन बना दूं, लेकिन लिखिए what is the next thing that I can do. अगर आप बहुत दिन से वेट कर रहे हैं कि मैं अपना मॉर्निंग एक्सरसाइज रिजीम चालू करूंगा, फिर मैं अपनी डाइट भी चालू कर दूंगा, मैं एक्सरसाइज भी चालू कर दूंगा, छोड़िए ना. आप बस इतना कमिट कीजिए कि मैं कल सुबह उठ के आई विल मेक श्योर दैट मैं घूमने के जूते पहन लूं. आई एम आस्किंग यू टू बी दैट सिंपल. व्हाट इज द नेक्स्ट बेस्ट थिंग दैट यू कैन डू? मैं कल से अपनी डाइट रिजीम चालू करूंगी. ओके, आप लिखिए कि मैं अपनी अगली कप चाय में चीनी नहीं लूंगा. So all of you right now, just write down what is the next thing that you will do, whatever it is. If you're thinking मैं अपना Netflix नहीं देखूंगा, just delete Netflix from your phones right now. Simple one action that you can do right now. You can put it on the comment. You can write it on your sheet of paper. What is the next man thing to do? Now, last two very, very simple points. We'll quickly go about them because we have less time remaining. Plan and move forward. Now, again, I'm not saying ki sit down a night before and write down that 8:45 I do this, 8:50 I do this, 9 o'clock I do this. But if you have a structure in place for the next day, you can be more productive. We all have meetings, we all have personal commitments, we all have 3 things that we want to do at a one given point of time. And then at the end of the day, we feel, yaar, I could have done this, but I was just so occupied अपने काम से कि मुझे exercise के लिए time नहीं मिला. या मैंने इतनी exercise कर ली है कि मैं थक गया हूं और अब मेरे पास काम करने की energy नहीं है. अगर हमारा day previously थोड़ा सा organized है, then I will have a better day tomorrow. A very small exercise that I will tell you right now, very, very, very small. सोने सब जाते हैं और सोने से पहले फोन कितने लोग देख रहे होते हैं. सारी न्यूज आज ही पढ़ डालूंगा. Give those 5 minutes भी की जरूरत नहीं है. Give yourself that 1 minute before you are just going to sleep. Have yourself a glass of water. Keep your phone aside. Before you sleep, just give yourself a thought. Tomorrow I go to work. These are the things that I'm supposed to get done. I also have to take care of my daughter's assignment. I also have to take care कि घर के ये काम हो जाए. And these are the 4 things जो मुझे कल सुबह करनी है. That just gives you a structure to the day. Maybe you can just accommodate that if you have to do 5000 steps चलने हैं, सुबह टाइम नहीं है, ऑफिस में लंच के बाद मैं नीचे जाके अपने ये 5000 स्टेप्स पूरे कर सकता हूं क्योंकि शाम को मैं घर जाके थक जाता हूं या मेरे पास वक्त नहीं होता. अगर आप इस तरीके से अगला दिन हल्का सा प्लान करके a step ahead, अगर आप लिखते हैं, so if you can journal a little that these are the things that I will get done tomorrow, you will be able to get up and know what you want to do with your day. You will be able to evaluate कि ये मैंने सीखा या ये मैंने नहीं सीखा. At the end of 10 days, you will know कि मैंने कुछ किया भी या बस 10 दिन कट गए. Because again, as I said, it is a journey. You have to get along every single day, improve a little every single day. And that is when you will be able to become the fullest, highest, best version of yourself. My last giveaway for this workshop will be a very, 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 very simple mantra. A very simple mantra. I've only asked you to do the little things that you can change in your everyday life to become your best version. My last mantra to you is AVM. Simple. AVM. ये तो किसी को नहीं भूलेगा. Now, what does this mean is A for affirmations. Affirmations क्या हैं? जैसे कि हमने बात करी माइंड चैटर के बारे में, व्हाट गोज इन माय हेड एट ऑल पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम, मैं क्या सोच रही हूँ, मेरे थॉट्स क्या चल रहे हैं. लेट्स जस्ट चेंज इट. आई एम गोइंग टू डू एफर्मेशंस. After this, maybe we can go on an Instagram page. There are certain affirmations that I do and we can practice them every day and they're simple. What do you say? I am beautiful. I am energetic. I am the most powerful person in the world. Whatever it is. Whatever follows the I am becomes your reality. Whatever follows I am becomes your reality. So write down 5 set of affirmations which are good for you. Write down I am fit. I am energetic. I am very interesting. I am a person who takes care of the family. Whatever is true for you, write down the 5 affirmations for yourself and repeat them every day. If you want to become the best version, if you want to become the best racer, if you want to become the best leader अपनी organization में, या आप एक बहुत बेहतरीन पिता बनना चाहते हैं, whatever it is, Affirmations help because जब आप अपने बारे में वो चीजें बिलीव करने लगेंगे बार बार, they will become your reality. Affirmations. A for affirmations. V stands for visualization. हमने एक छोटी सी एक्सरसाइज भी करी विजुअलाइजेशन के बारे में. There are multiple things available on the internet for you to go pick and choose from. Just reinforcing it. जब गाड़ी बनी नहीं थी तो मिस्टर फोर्ड ने सोचा कि कोई मशीन हो सकती है जो 4 टायरों को अपने आप चलाए बिना घोड़ों के. राइट ब्रदर्स ने सोचा कि कुछ तो ऐसे होगा कि मैं लोहे को भी कंस्ट्रक्ट करके उड़ा सकूं. It all happens in your imagination first. We all know of medical miracles जहां लोग अपनी मानसिक शक्ति के बल पर irreplaceable बीमारियों से जूझकर बाहर निकल आते हैं. Your mind has power that you do not know that you have. Your subconscious mind is a very, very powerful tool. अगर आप आज यहां से कुछ भी नहीं लेके जाए ना, आपने मेरी कोई बात ना सुनी, तो ये सुन लीजिए. आप विजुअलाइजेशन प्रैक्टिस, राइट डाउन आपकी अल्टीमेट ड्रीम और आप उसे इमेजिन कीजिए, आप उसे इतना फील कीजिए एज इफ इट इज रियल. फील इट. किसी के साथ हुआ है कि सपने में मुझे गुस्सा आया और मैं सुबह उठ के भी मुझे उस बंदे पे गुस्सा आ रहा है? दैट्स द पावर ऑफ योर ब्रेन. यू फील दोज इमोशंस इफ यू फील देम डीपली. शाम का वक्त है, मैं इतना बता देती हूँ. चाट पापड़ी खाने में कितना मजा आएगा. अगर कोई अभी गरम टिक्की ला दे तो स्वाद तो बहुत आएगा. We all would want to have a tikki after this because हमने quickly imagine कर लिया होगा कि मजा कितना आएगा. My mouth is salivating. मुझे अभी पानी आ रहा है. This is how the brain works. This is how the brain works. You react to it. Your body feels like कि मैं अभी खा लूं. तो मैंने अपने, this is how quickly your brain reacts. So visualize. Now, whatever that you want to manifest in your life, आपको जैसा भी चाहिए कि मेरे आगे आने वाला साल, 2 साल, 5 साल, 10 साल, write it down on a piece of paper and try and visualize. और उसे visualize इस belief के साथ कीजिए कि ये मेरी reality होने वाली है. इतना श्योरली जितना श्योरली मैं इसके बाद जाके टिक्की ऑर्डर करने वाली हूं, ऑलमोस्ट विद दैट श्योरिटी. जस्ट गो अहेड एंड विजुअलाइज. थर्ड इज माइंडसेट. दिस इज द मेजर वन. अगर आपने अपने माइंड को कॉन्कर कर लिया, देन देयर इज नथिंग दैट कैन स्टॉप यू. दोज ऑफ यू हु आर कमिटेड इनफ टू कम हियर एंड जस्ट सी what is new thing that I can learn here today to be my best version. You guys are working towards being better. It's not about कि आप प्रिया सिंह को सुनने आए हैं यहाँ पे कि मैंने क्या कहा. आपने डिसाइड किया कि मैं अपना माइंडसेट बदलना चाहता हूँ. There is something that I want to change, improve और learn. और हो सकता है कि आज दोपहर को कुछ लेटे सुनते मेरा कुछ फायदा हो जाए. It's your mind that has started to work. और अगर आपने चूज कर लिया है that I am on this journey, then choose to listen to the right things, hear the right things. I'm not going to say be more positive, be more optimistic, no. But set your mindset to the destination. This is the best version of myself. And every day I'm going to work a little towards it. Whatever your dreams look like. Now you have a sheet. Those of you who have written would have a sheet in front of you जिसमें आपकी कुछ qualities होंगी, जिसमें लिखा होगा कि आपका ultimate dream क्या है, जिसमें लिखा होगा कौन सी ऐसी चीज है जिससे आप बहुत excellent होना चाहते हैं. So why not start the work today with the AVM formula: affirmations, visualization, and mindset. And maybe it will just help you to achieve your next level. That's where I would like to end it. I hope it has been interesting. Akshat, at this point of time, you can tell me if there are any questions or
No, it was really interesting and engaging. और
I have an observation.
समासा जो बांधा है.
I have an observation.
कुछ कहना चाहते हैं. Yeah, Mr. Ravindra ji.
So I want to give my AVM and sum up Priya's very, very interesting and enlightening talk. I would call it amazing, valuable, and memorable.
True. Oh, thank you.
That's for you. That's a compliment for you.
Thank you, sir. I almost took my paper pencil to write down coming my way.
You should.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
So now I would like to request Mr. G.S. Babaji, who is former GMPR Airport Authority of India and our program coordinator, to share his expert remarks.
Hello, Akshat. Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible, sir.
Very good. Great. First of all, let Priya know that Priya is here not by chance. She is here by design. We at the Public Relations Society Delhi, we had mandated that we want a change. And the change was that it shall come from a young brain, young mind, and young person, both from heart as well as from the age. So that's why she is here, because the same thing which she has said, probably if one of us would have said, the people would have said कि अब बूढ़े हो गया तो हमारे को पढ़ाने लग गया तो अपने तो like that. It is good that it is coming from her. So right, good. Thank you very much. And after she has spoken, I am sure that everybody's notebooks are full and they are ready with their agenda. And once their agenda is there, speaking something is not good. But still, one very good point which came up during the discussion, रविंदर जी, कि पापी पेट का सवाल है, ठीक है नहीं? जब लाइफ की जर्नी स्टार्ट करते हैं तो कुछ चीजें ऐसी भी होती हैं, आपके एथिक्स में फिट होती हैं, नहीं होती, पर आपको करनी पड़ती हैं। और फिर उसका काउंटर भी ढूंढना पड़ता है कि उसको करा है तो उसको कैसे कॉम्पनसेट करना है, कि अल्टीमेटली तो हमें प्रिया के क्वेश्चन पर आना है कि आपकी लाइफ की जो अपग्रेडेशन कैसे होती रहे, राइट? और अपग्रेडेशन जो है वो ओवरनाइट काम नहीं है। एंड आई एम रियली हैट्स ऑफ टू प्रिया सिंह, ये जो 2 या 3 दिन की जो वर्कशॉप है, and how tactfully and beautifully she has finished that in 1.5 hours or so, and everybody is fully charged and ready to log on the journey. Now, we did touch upon the what are we, right? And the moment we start serving to an organization or serving to the society, we think that we are a product, and then we should think, because जो दिखता है वही बिकता है और जो बिकता है उसी के दाम मिलते हैं. So if you are not productive to the another person to whom you are, or who is taking your services, and you are not worth it, and then there is a vicious circle of downtrend starts happening. So that's a reason very important, and every product which comes in this universe that has to be upgraded. And before a product is launched, we always in the habit of getting the beta version. So our childhood is a beta version. In beta version, we test so many things, and then in our adolescence, we adopt our vision, and then we are known by the product. And by the end of the journey, we visualize, are we the executive product or we the deluxe product? Because every company launches 2 or 3 types of products. One is the beta version when it has not been launched. Second is their regular product, then deluxe product, or then executive product. So by the end of the journey of life, everyone should aim that he is a best product. Now, how do products are made, right? Products are made always, as she mentioned, that the examples of Wright brothers or examples of any person who have invented. How do they invent? They invent only by listening to people. If you are not listening, then probably you cannot invent and you cannot upgrade. So continuous upgradation comes from always from the listening, and listening is not easy. Listening is not easy. Because why it is not easy? Because all our MBA products, and in all MBAs we have been taught that you should lead the discussions. And once you are leading the discussions, you have been told that you should speak and you should not listeners. And once you are not listener, probably you cannot upgrade, because upgradation comes from the listening. So improvement is a continuous process, and improvement will come only once you listen, right? And second is that we must adopt ethics. And sometimes we know what are ethics, and sometimes we do not know, but in the heart of what everybody knows what is ethics. So ethics should always be there, and then one should always try to be with nature, because ultimate teacher is nature. So whenever you feel that you are not able to adopt or see a change, you must look solutions toward the nature, and that comes. And listening, as I mentioned, it has to be two-way. If we start listening, probably people will also start listening us also. So if you want that the people should listen you before that, you must listen people first. That is number one. And this will transform one's life, and this will transform you. And I think this will help in building relationship as well as improving a perfect person, which was the topic of today. And another topic I mentioned, because people who are in corporate life, and Ravinder ji mentioned that पापी पेट का सवाल है, तो वहां पर ethics का बड़ा सवाल एक हो जाता है. And it is not very easy to follow the ethics, but then whenever you are in doubt of going ahead with your ethics, man by nature is in the habit of justifying whatever he is doing. And to take care of that, probably we should always keep a one coin on which both sides are either head or tail. And we know that in Sholay how they manage that coin, because whenever we doubt, we should use that coin, and that will give you a decision what you are looking for. And honesty, hard work, crisis recognition, managing crisis, etc. They are all the mantras of talk which Priya Singh has given. But I personally feel the best thing is the swastik cycle, which Priya mentioned. It is the heart of life. The positive movement, you know, that the swastik moves in are formed by the direction of clockwise movement. And that clockwise movement is the energy of positivity. So whatever you do, anybody does, that should generate a positivity in its doing. And the rest, I think the talk has covered everything. Chaat pakodi se leke tikki tak ki baat ho gayi. I think everybody is now looking for to adopt that. And with this, Akshat, I think we have done justice to the talk, and it has really charged many people to think in this direction. And thank you very much for arranging this all. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. I'm sure that we all had a terrific time in this session. And if you could not get your question, or if you have some feedback you want to share, you can always email us, and then we'll share with our speaker. And towards the end, I just want to thank everyone who joined us, right from different universities like WIPS, from Jamia Adamas University, GD Goenka, and many more people from different walks of life. And I just want to tell you that you'll be getting your e-certificates as well by the end of this week. And I promise you that we'll again come back at the same time on the same platform with new speakers and new topics. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, Priya Singh. Thanks to Priya, and for doing it such a wonderful job.
Thank you, Akshat.
And thank you, everybody, for being present, and for the common information of everybody. I was not sure I was able to join today. Calling from Sona in the morning, the connectivity was very bad. But fortunately, you see, this is another example of positivity. So today the connectivity is very good. Thank you.
It was a wonderful talk. In fact, Priya, I congratulate you. It was a wonderful talk. Though I also, in the same profession, I motivate the people. I am a motivator and give the lectures to so many universities and places. But it was a wonderful way to explain the thing in a very easy way, very subtle way, including chaat pakodi and so many things. So, Babaji, let's have chaat pakodi somewhere.